We just finished our second CrossFit class together.
Get blasted!
How was it?
It was good. It was tough.
It was very tough.
Hard Saturday.
I only did like a couple rounds and I was done. I did 21, no, I think I did 21 burpees.
Yeah.
And then I did some 21 thrusters and what else?
Lunges.
And 21 lunges. It was tough, but we made it.
We made it. Blasting.
Now we're on our way back home and we're probably gonna get some food in our bellies. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next clip. Went to Wendy's after our workout because we're treating ourselves on a Saturday. This is mine and this is Bobby's. This is the Wendy's breakfast. This is my first time trying. We've got some packets of ketchup and I'll show you guys my sandwich. And I got an iced coffee as well. Alright, so I'm gonna open my sandwich. Yay! I also got a, where's my honey butter biscuit?
That's it.
Oh, this is the chicken one.
No, it should be chicken.
But there's no chicken. I got the honey butter biscuit as well. So this is what it looks like. Let's give it a try. First bite, I'm gonna have this first. One bite?
Yeah.
It's yummy. It's pretty solid, right?
I like a pancake.
Yeah. Alright, here's my sandwich.
There's some kind of sauce on it.
It's like maple syrup.
No.
On this? Okay.
Yeah, it's like a, I don't know what it is.
Alright.
See? Yeah. It's like a bouillon.
Very good. Got my fries. Home fries. I like it. First time having Wendy's breakfast. Highly recommend. Wendy's just does it perfectly. I think it's better than McDonald's breakfast, to be honest. What do you think? I think it's better than McDonald's
That is
breakfast.
greasy.
It's like, it feels healthier.
Like these are really good. I
Yeah.
really like these.
Would recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food and I'll catch you guys in my next clip. guys, so I am back from CrossFit / Wendy's / the grocery store. I went to the grocery store and we picked up 36 eggs because these things are just great to just have on hand. Great for breakfast and stuff. Bobby likes this Stoke protein cold brew coffee because it has like a decent amount of protein. It has 16 grams of protein in 12 fluid ounces. So he got 2 of these. And then I decided, because I saw that Starbucks was 2 for $9 for 2 48 ounce fluid ounce. And I decided to go ahead and not get that and get the Khalifa cold brew because I think I've heard good stuff about this and this brand. So I decided to give it a try. So I got 2 of these for $7 because they were like $3.49 each. And they're also the same as 48 fluid ounce as well. I decided to pick up a new creamer, and this is the one that I got. This is the Delight Oreo one. I think I saw someone on YouTube rave about this, so I decided to give it a shot. But anyway, this is my little grocery haul that I got. I figured, you know, after Wendy's, let's go to the grocery store and pick up some eggs and just get some steps in and everything. So yeah, and I know people are probably gonna judge me because they're like, oh, why did you go and work out and then have Wendy's? That's so bad for you. But girl, like, I can burn it off throughout the whole day. So we good, we Gucci. I'm gonna put this stuff away and I will talk to you guys soon. Just went to Nike and Bobby got some stuff.
That's my belly.
That's your belly?
That's my belly.
We went to Assembly Row. Now we're walking to Target. So, success. Hey, baby?
Success.
Hi everyone, so we are back. I just came back from going to the Nike outlet and Costco. Went to Costco, spent a good chunk of change, but that's usually the normal for us. We did do a little bit of other grocery shopping before Costco just to pick up a few things like eggs and some cold brew coffee. As you guys saw, I got that Khalifa coffee. I'll give it a try and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. Right now I'm actually sipping some coffee that I made myself and I put in the Oreo creamer and it literally tastes like a Oreo cookie. I'm so happy that it tastes like that, but I don't think I could see myself drinking this all the time because I'm trying to like lose weight and not gain weight. And creamer, I go heavy on the creamer, honey. I usually use almond milk or coconut milk, but today I was like, I'm just gonna have some of the Oreo creamer because I saw someone on YouTube say that it was really good, so that's why I got it. Anyway, at Costco, it was so busy, it gave me anxiety. I was just like ready to leave. I don't like going on the weekends because people are just like not mindful of their surroundings. They'll literally stop at like in the middle of an aisle and just like not even acknowledge other people walking or passing through. It's so annoying. We picked up lots of fruit like Honeycrisp apples, which cost like $17.99. It was ridiculous. And then we got some peaches, pineapples, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and mangoes, some chicken of the sea tuna, and some honey, almond butter, jam. I don't know why I'm giving you a list of things that I got, but that's what I went there for because I like to buy things in bulk sometimes. Also soy sauce, and I got a different brand that I don't normally use, but we'll see if it's good or not. I will let you guys know. It's the Lee Kim one, I think, the one that makes the hoisin sauce, the good hoisin sauce. So yeah, and we also got Lawry's seasoned salt because people were saying that it's good to have seasonings on hand because they are like the last things to go bad. The shelf life on them are like, it's like basically forever.
But anyway, I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm a little exhausted because CrossFit was exhausting, and then like on top of that we walked over 10 miles today, so I'm a little tired. Sip on my coffee and probably just watch some Amazon Prime. We're gonna watch The Man in the High Castle because there's 4 seasons of it, and we're going to go ahead and binge watch it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.